This is the Frugal Gardener. For the first time since 2012, the United States government, Department of Agriculture, have updated the hardiness zones for gardeners, farmers, anybody who basically uses that information for their planting season. So, as a public service announcement, I am letting everybody know, if you haven't already heard, that your gardening zone may have been changed. Mine has. I started out in 6B, and I gardened in 6B since, well, even before 2012, and now I'm in 7A. So if you want to check and see if your zone has changed, I'm putting a link below, and you can check out the link and check your zone. That's it. It's a really short video. You might want to add a link to here or either repost this video so that we can spread the word. You guys have a great day. Catch you on the next video.